My job title is engineering technician, and one of the main responsibilities is robotics. So if there is any problems with a robot, I will try my hardest to overcome that. Factory 2050 is a really good place to work purely because all the technology is changing. It can be daily, weekly or monthly, but there's always something new to do. And it's a great place to work, but it's also a great place to learn.
Rebecca is deserving of this award due to her integrating seamlessly within the integrated manufacturing group at the AMRC. She has demonstrated great technical ability with picking up robot programming, CAD design work, and she has also become a mental health champion for the AMRC and now the wider University of Sheffield.
Being a mental health champion, it allows me to help other people and make the workplace a better place for everyone. In the future, I would really like to complete my degree to a high standard. Going back to school times, I was told that I probably wouldn't get far, but now I'm here, I feel like I could.
I'm a member of the CNC milling department, working on the 3-axis and 5-axis machines, setting and operating. I've been training on the 5-axis. I'm also a member of the internal auditing team, helping the quality department to find and improve on issues on the shop floor. Something I really like about being an apprentice here is giving new opportunities, such as training on other departments and helping develop new jobs, such as implementing a 4th-axis on the 3-axis department.
Scott's developing into a very well-rounded engineer. He's always very quick to contribute to the continuous improvement activities that we run within the business. Very keen to impress his ideas on how the business can improve its processes.
One of my highlights of the AMRC Training Centre is working with the excellent staff on the shop floor and being given the opportunity to do personal projects, an example being the dovetail pyramid that I made.
Scott has helped integrate the other apprentices into the business, but also help them deal with the expectations of making sure their work's done on time and giving those guys a sense of confidence that they can succeed at Midland and make a valuable contribution.